Have you ever stumbled across a bit of history so bizarre, it sounds more like a horror movie than a real event? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 of the weirdest, creepiest, and most mysterious historical moments you've probably never heard of. From disturbing relationships to ghost ships and cursed tombs, this is history's dark, strange side. 10. The skeletons of Roopkund Lake. High in the Indian Himalayas lies Roopkund, a glacial lake with a dark secret. When the ice melts, hundreds of human skeletons float to the surface. DNA shows they died in different centuries and from different causes. Some may have died in a hailstorm, others, we just don't know. It's been called the Lake of Skeletons, and it's still a mystery. 9. The SS Valencia ghost ship. After the Valencia sank off Vancouver Island in 1906, things got weird. Locals began reporting sightings of a ghostly ship, glowing in the fog. Some swore they saw skeletons on deck, frozen in agony. The real ship was gone, but the hauntings continued for years. Some say the Valencia still sails the Pacific, looking for the shore. 8. The Beast of Gevaudan. In rural France, a monstrous creature began attacking villages. Witnesses said it looked like a wolf, but bigger, meaner, unnatural. It reportedly killed over 100 people before disappearing. The king sent troops. The church called it a demon. No one ever caught the Beast of Gevaudan. Its legend still haunts France. 7. The zinc-poisoned dancing girls of Newark. In the 1920s, factory girls in Newark started dancing uncontrollably. Not out of joy, but because of the powdered glitter they inhaled daily. The zinc poisoning caused neurological damage, spasms, and collapse. At the time, doctors were baffled. Glitter had turned toxic. It's a chilling reminder that even sparkle can be deadly. 6. The Great Molasses Flood of 1919. Boston, 1919. A massive tank of molasses exploded without warning. A 25-foot wave of sticky syrup raced through the streets at 35 miles per hour. It killed 11 people and injured over 50. Horses were stuck mid-gallop. Some people drowned in the goo. For years, residents claimed they could still smell molasses on hot days. 5. Rat Kings. Imagine a group of rats with their tails knotted together, stuck for life. That's a rat king. It's real, and yes, it's horrifying. These nightmarish clusters were once believed to be omens of plague or evil. Some museums in Europe still have preserved specimens. Science has theories, but the mystery of how they form remains unsolved. 4. The Halifax Slasher Panic, 1938. In 1938, Halifax, England descended into chaos. People claimed a razor-wielding attacker was slashing random victims in the streets. Panic swept the town. Police flooded the area. Vigilante mobs formed. But then, it all unraveled. Most victims admitted they had injured themselves. The Halifax slasher, he never existed. It was mass hysteria in real time. 3. The Pollock twins mystery. In 1957, two young sisters, Joanna and Jacqueline Pollock, died in a tragic car accident in England. A year later, their mother gave birth to twins, Jennifer and Gillian. The twins began to recall memories and recognize places only their dead sisters could have known. Jennifer even had identical birthmarks matching Jacqueline's. Their parents were stunned. Some believe it's proof of reincarnation. Others call it coincidence, but no one has fully explained it. Number 2. The Corpse Bride of California, 1911. In 1911, Carl Tanzler met the love of his life. After she died, he exhumed her body and lived with it for years, preserving it with wax and wire. He dressed her, spoke to her, even tried to bring her back to life. Authorities eventually found out, but many were weirdly sympathetic. It's creepy, tragic, and still debated as a tale of obsession versus madness. Number 1. The moving coffins of Barbados. In the 1800s, a family tomb in Barbados began to stir up legends. Every time the crypt was opened, the heavy lead coffins inside had mysteriously moved. No signs of tampering, no flooding, nothing could explain it. The government investigated. They even sealed it with concrete. But the coffins kept shifting. Eventually, they gave up and removed the coffins completely. The tomb has been empty ever since. History isn't just kings and dates. It's weird behavior, ghost ships, strange coincidences, and more. These stories are the shadows behind the textbooks. Which one creeped you out the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more history's weirdest secrets.